Principles of Wine Bottle Balancers. You will find in magazines and on the internet numerous pictures and articles about making a wine balancer. These display items, when constructed correctly, are a fun novelty and a stable wine display. At DIYWinestuff.com, we have developed a series of templates for the do-it-yourselfer to construct a wine display balancer that uses standard shop tools and requires no reverse engineering. In developing these templates, here's what we have found as some principles to build wine bottle balancers. 1. The larger the base and the more centered the wine bottle's center of gravity, the more stable the design. 2. The closer to parallel the wine bottle's position, the more stable the wine bottle balancer. 3. Wine bottles vary slightly by dimensions, weight, and volume. Our two designs reduce the unknown of each of these principles, except for those of the wine bottle. The first is that the base is a 45-degree angle. This is a large enough base for stability. Secondly, our engineers have figured out how to achieve a parallel center of gravity using a standard spade bit without having to angle the bit. This display shows 4 different bottle holes drilled straight into a 3/4 inch board. We know that most 750 milliliter bottles have the largest part of the neck at about 1 1/8 inches. So the bits we use here are 1 1/4 inches, 1 3/8 inches, 1 1/2 inches, and 1 5/8 inches. As you can see, none of these 4 have achieved a parallel position for the bottle. But you will also notice that the larger the hole, the closer the bottle comes to parallel. The challenge of a larger bottle hole, in our opinion, is that it is less aesthetically pleasing and a little harder to drill. These templates are designed for pine but can be adapted to denser woods like oak or maple. Okay, so let's get you started making a simple wine balancer made from some 1x4 inch pine. Here's a list of materials and tools needed. Materials: a 12-inch stock of 1x4 inch pine, some basic shop tools, a 1 1/4 inch spade bit, and a drill, jigsaw, chisel, or a wood rasp, and certainly finishing materials like sandpaper, stain, and clear finish. You'll also find very helpful some alternate tools like table saw, bandsaw, a router, a scroll saw, an electric compound miter saw, and a drill press. The first thing to do is to download the basic wine balancer template package. Print off the templates on standard paper. Be sure that your printer is printing to scale by taking a ruler and verifying that the printed ruler scale on the template is the same scale as your ruler or tape measure. Once you have determined its accuracy, cut the template out and affix it to a piece of Luan board to make a template. As with all our designs, we encourage you to build a template to create more than just one. You can affix the template using craft glue or white glue. We have printed the template on our self-affixing stock. The majority of our templates in each series are self-affixing. Using a saw, cut out the template staying on the outside of the line. I used a bandsaw for this step. Now, using an awl or even a nail, mark the 2 centers where the hole will be made. You can also use a small drill bit to drill a larger hole. Now take the 12-inch stock and cut a 45-degree angle on one end. This will be the top of your wine display balancer. Lay your template on the top of the long side of the angle. Now mark with a pencil, awl, or nail the 2 marks to drill your bottle hole, and now draw the line at the bottom where your second 45-degree angle, the base, will be cut. You may even put a line to show the direction you will be achieving the angle. Be sure you cut this angle parallel to the first 45-degree angle. Once the second 45-degree angle is cut, it is time to make the bottle hole by overlapping 2 1 1/4 inch holes. You can complete this using a hand drill or with a drill press. You will see that the 2 holes overlap. This feature gives you a bottle that has a center of gravity that is parallel to the base. After drilling these 2 holes, you will need to clean out the non-cut areas. You can use a jigsaw or a manual saw or even a wood rasp and file. Your basic wine balancer is now completed. You can finish it the way you'd like. You will also notice we included a basic wine balancer with a rounded top. Use the same principles for the double 45-degree to achieve this design. You will find on our website more elegant design templates for your do-it-yourself wine display projects. Our templates all include videos and allow you to use your time for creativity and not the mundane work of re-engineering and measuring. And as always, don't forget to sign the bottom so people know who built this treasure.